Hi, I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning. Question: what is Doppler effect? Obtain an expression for the apparent frequency of sound heard when the source is in motion with respect to an observer at rest. Doppler effect. The apparent change in frequency of sound observed due to relative motion between the observer and the source of sound is called Doppler effect. Source, observer and medium are at rest. Let S be the position of the source and O be the position of the observer. Let N is frequency of sound waves emitted by source. V is velocity of sound waves. This is source S. This one is observer O. The distance between these two is taken as V, where V is the velocity of sound. Sound waves emitted from source S reaches the observer. In 1 second, N waves are emitted from the source. When the source is at rest, it will emit N waves in 1 second. So, N waves occupy a length V in 1 second. Therefore, wavelength of waves lambda is equal to V by N. Let it be equation number 1. Now, the source is in motion, observer and medium are at rest. If the source moves with a velocity Vs towards a observer, it reaches the point S dash after 1 second. This is the point S dash. Distance between S and S dash is Vs, and between S dash and O it is V minus Vs. The N waves are in between S dash and O. Now, N waves are present in a length of V minus Vs. Therefore, new wavelength of waves is equal to lambda dash is equal to V minus Vs by N. Let it be equation number 2. Therefore, apparent frequency is equal to N dash is equal to V by lambda dash. That is equal to V by V minus Vs by N. That can be rewritten as N dash is equal to V by V minus Vs into N. Since V is greater than V minus Vs, we can say N dash is greater than N. Therefore, when source moves towards a stationary observer, the apparent frequency of sound waves will be greater than the actual frequency. Now, when source moves away from the stationary observer, apparent frequency N dash is given by N dash is equal to V by V plus Vs into N. Since V is less than V plus Vs, we can say n dash is less than n. Therefore, when source moves away from a stationary observer, the apparent frequency of sound waves will be less than the actual frequency. Okay, right.